Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M33. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has USB-C jack and then plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Swipe down notification bar, and as you can see right now, you can enter your USB storage. Also, you can go to My Files app, and again you'll find your USB storage right here. If you want to eject it, firstly select Unmount. Now you can safely eject your USB storage. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.